that. That's cool. You said shutting again.
I mean, it's just one of these tourist things that you just need to say, I've been there, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, it's like going to see the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia, you know, or the Independence, you know, that kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so behind the Merlion is what we call, affectionately, locals, we call it the Durian, and that's the Esplanade. Okay, that's where all our concerts are, etc. Right, so that's a musical place. So here's the Merlion.
The Merlion right
The famous Merlion.
And where's the route to represent?
The Arts and Science Museum, and that's the famous hotel.
Yeah, I went up there.
Wait, did you go all the way to
I went to the top, yeah. To the bar up there, restaurant.
Oh, but did you go to the observatory?
No, they wouldn't let me at that time for some reason.
Because you have to pay to go up there. There's a ticket that you can buy.
I didn't pay no ticket to the observatory.
But you know, tourists, you get a good price, you know.
I'll check it during the day, one of the days, and try to.
I think when you want to go, don't go on a cloudy day. Try and
go on like
see.
a Tuesday or weird day.
No, like go on check the weather before you go.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
You never know here. They don't have one straight sunny day. It's like cloudy.
Well, you can see, like it's quite obvious. Like if it starts out cloudy, forget it.
Yeah.
But if it starts out sunny, you have a chance.
It's a tricky place.
Yeah, it's a tricky place. Yes.
Yeah. Like the clouds are moving. Usually when clouds move, it rains. But I know what it is. You guys are an island, so most of the clouds pass you guys. It could be raining somewhere, but it might not be raining on the island, or maybe a part of the island. So that's what happens when you have an island, like. So, and it's small. You guys are the size of New York.
We're not even the size of New York.
It's smaller than New York.
Really? Yeah, we're smaller than New York.
Oh, I thought it was the size of Manhattan and all that.
No.
Oh,
we're smaller.
That's why I asked you on the phone. I was like, what's the size of the island?
The whole island is only 700 and some square miles. The whole island.
I'm gonna bike it one day. When I'm
you should bike it. Yeah, you should.
Like, Philly, you slim down. Like I bike your island.
No, because it's a really nice way to see Singapore. I think most tourists don't see that. Yeah. Because most tourists want to come to the touristy area. You know what I mean?
I want everything opposite of that.
But I feel like we have a lot of like nice parks, and we have the park connector, and those experiences are interesting experiences for tourists, right? Okay. Which I feel like it's not your typical tourist kind of adventure, so to speak. Yeah. Okay, so you wanted the river cruise. Now the ticket comes from here. Okay. Singapore River Cruise, right? So I think the office is probably somewhere down here. Okay. Yeah.
Singapore, man, like you've never seen it before.
Yeah. Now, my suggestion, don't do the river cruise. Okay. My suggestion, go take the duck tours.
The duck tour?
Yeah, the duck tours, they come from, I think they're still at I think they still start at Suntec City. I'll send you the link, Philip.
Send me the link.
Yeah. Okay, now the duck tour covers both land and sea.
Oh,
and that is very fun to do.
Okay, the duck tour.
Yeah, that one is my favorite to bring people.
Thank you. I'll do the duck tour.
You should do the duck tour. And do it in the evening, because the landscape is beautiful. Yeah. The sunset is really nice. How you say, and you really get good photography from there, right?
My place right there I always work out of. WeWork.
You always work out WeWork? Yeah, we have a couple of WeWork here. So that's the first post office we ever had. It's now a hotel. Yes, the one that I pointed for you.
The first post office we ever had, and what is it right now?
It's now the Fullerton Hotel.
Well, oh yeah, it says hotel. Okay,
hotel. Yeah.
That wasn't the one we was just in. That was another one.
That one is Fullerton Bay that we were in.
Fullerton Bay. Okay,
yes.
That's Fullerton. So Fullerton must be somebody famous too.
Yes, that's right. Okay, have you seen our famous Merlion?
No.
Okay, I have to bring you there. I mean, it's one of those tourist things that you just have to do, okay? It's right at the end of this road. I mean, it's just those things that, you know, if you come to Singapore, you got to see it, right? Yeah. It's like going to like Ellis Island, you understand?
Yeah, you have to see it, yeah.
It's like going to see the Statue of Liberty, right?
You have to. How'd you like that when you went to see the Statue of Liberty?
Oh, I loved it. I loved it. I think it gave me a lot of like how you say, I love the whole Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island tour. I went there in the winter time, so it was freezing cold.
Oh, okay, yeah, you like hurry up.
Yeah, and I still have a photo of the World Trade Center. It's a backdrop. Yeah.
That was some rough times when that
That's
happened. I was
very
thinking,
rough
woke me up.
times.
I'm like, what?
Very rough times.
I was like, what? And when I got up, the first one was down, and then they hit the second one, and I'm looking at it with my family, I'm like, is this a movie? Is this for real? They like, oh, this is real. We're getting invaded.
You should go to one of those like places where they screen the World Cup. Philly.
Yeah, I did. I was there. I was at the airport. That's what I'm telling you with my friend.
Oh, that's why you went to the airport.
Yeah, he tricked me. And we ended up watching 2 games. Like he came like 2 o'clock in the morning. Like we gotta go to the airport. So,
no, you should not go to the airport one.
And it was packed. It was like 1,000.
Yes, no. You should go to another place like Lau Pa Sat.
Lau Pa Sat. Give me the address.
I'll give you the address. Or go to Chimes. Like either of these. Okay, you should go and check these 2 out.
I'm gonna tell them. Is it games tonight? I'll have them go there tonight. Then.
It's all in the morning. I'll send you the links.
Let me send you the link. I'll go.
I'll send you the link.
But it was so packed at the airport. They got a big screen, but you know somebody's.
Yes, but the airport vibe is different.
Yeah.
So you need to go to these 2 other places because these 2 other places, right, give you a different vibe.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was packed. I was like, how many people
Sorry.
gonna watch the World Cup? But it's big.
Yeah.
Every World Cup I've been out of the car. I was there for the Brazil. Well, I mean the one that was 4 years ago was the Brazil.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was. I know Brazil went crazy when they scored that goal. With no time left. I know
definitely.
Went bananas. I know Brazil went bananas when they scored. Brazil, y'all gotta produce more players, man. What's going on?
I watched the England game last night.
Yeah, England. Oh man. And then I was there. The guys was like, "Oh, you just want to keep cheering for all the black teams." Because when what is it, Congo?
Congo, yes.
Yeah, they
Congo.
scored. Yeah, they won this. Man, it's no league safe in the World Cup until the clock is over.
Yep.
People scoring late in these games.
Yep. Hang on. Let's go.
Because when you get desperate, you just start kicking that ball to get it in there.
Yeah. This is a very famous tourist trap.
Yeah.
You see all the tourists here. So that's the Merlion coming up.
Okay. I saw it in a video, but I've never been personally.
Well, okay, now you can.
Now I see it. Now I got my own video of it.
I'm sorry I have to bring you here, but it's one of those things, right?
No problem. I lost like 10 pounds a day. That's cool. You said I'm starting again.
I mean, it's just one of these tourist things that you just need to say, I've been there, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, it's like going to see the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia, you know, or the Independence, you know, that kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so behind the Merlion is what we call, affectionately, locals, we call it the Durian, and that's the Esplanade. Okay, that's where all our concerts are, etc. Right, so that's a musical place. So here's the Merlion,
The Merlion right
the
here.
famous Merlion.
And where's the represent?
The Merlion?
Yeah.
It's just a folklore in Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, just careful, there's a step.
I know.
Ja, das ist ja im Prinzip die Singapur-Variante vom Blei. Der Löwe, also wenn ihn nochmal bessere Blick haben, dann könnte er auf seinen Gegner gehen, auf die Tür will. Wie gesagt, mit dem Knopf sind 10 Minuten.
Which one? Yeah, the Merlion.
Merlion.
Yeah,
Okay, I
yeah.
got it.
And that spiky building at the back of the Merlion is called the Esplanade, or Singaporeans we like to call it the Durian.
And what's in there? What type of?
That's where our concert halls are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Civic Center type.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I got it. Don't say Philly John don't work out, guys. Don't say that. I'm working out. Working out. There's a lot of good times in here. Show me a lot.
Yeah, so this is a very touristy place.
Yeah, I
Okay,
see.
so basically, right, this bridge here, Okay, this bridge links you to the other side of Singapore where the Padang is.
The Padang.
Yeah, the Padang is where where we have our National Day is upcoming right
Yeah, August
on
9th.
August 9th.
Oh,
Yes.
I know these things. Like,
Yeah, how do you know, man? Very good. You've been reading. Very
Like I said,
good.
I fell in love with the country. Like people think I'm faking. I'm like.
But if you are here for that, you should.
I'll be here for that.
Yeah, but okay, so you probably can't get tickets for it already, but you could still participate in you could still be around this area.
Yeah.
Okay, so this whole area on National Day, they will have fireworks and everything. So I would definitely recommend you to come
be out
here.
here.
It'll be really very crowded, so come early,
Yeah.
be prepared, bring like a whole bottle of water with you.
Okay.
And just put a picnic out, make some friends along the way.
Yeah.
I mean it's also very touristy. I mean a lot of tourists who want to come and see that, right? So it's quite normal. Yeah, but so that whole area is what we call. So you see that building there? So
Yeah.
that's Raffles City. That's a